Hello everyone, good afternoon, welcome back. Thanks for your loving support. I am still standing in front of you. आज मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा एक बहुत ही प्रीमियम अल्ट्रा लग्जरी सेगमेंट प्रोजेक्ट, दैट टू इन वेस्ट पुने's the most preferred location at Baner Pan Card Club Road. This project is a massive development, and just to mention you before the project presentation that we do not have any charges at all. We will give you the best pricing as per our terms. We will also serve you up to 5 years after possession for liquidity of your property. So you can see this project is one of the biggest land parcel of entire West Pune, and this is the biggest land parcel, the biggest land parcel of entire Pan Club Road of Baner. So what you see behind me, these are 9 premium residential towers with having an height of 33 habitable floors. And also to mention you very specific that we have 5 level of car parkings. You can see these are the podium car parkings, and we are having triple heighted lobby on the entrance. We have given you 50,000 square feet of clubhouse, which is enormous. In fact, this is the largest clubhouse of West Pune, and in Pan Card Club Road, this is the biggest land parcel. Again, I am saying with dual connectivity. In front, we are having 25-meter wide road, Pan Card Club Road, and we are having 4 separate gardens. You can see this is separate garden. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have 4 separate gardens. Not only that, we have only 750 apartments, the lowest density of all projects, only 750 apartments units in entire 10 acres, with having the minimum gap between 2 towers 100 feet. So you can see it's a zigzag style towers. So यहाँ पे आपको जो मिलता है, every apartment is 3 side open, Vastu compliant apartment, east west facing apartment, and we have dedicated tower for 3 BHK. We are having only 3 towers dedicated for 3 BHKs, like this one, tower number 3, tower number 5, and tower number 7. So these are 3 BHK towers, only 4 apartments per floor, and we are having one single 5 BHK tower, that is tower number 9, with having an RERA carpet area of approximately 4,800 square feet facing towards Baner Hill. And on the back side, we have an separate entrance lobby. You can see entry and exit is on the DP road. It's a 18-meter sanctioned DP road on the back side. So we are having dual connectivity on this project. So यहाँ पे सबसे जो important point है, so every apartment is having running deck. You can see it's a long running deck and multiple balconies on maximum apartments. यहाँ पे जो आपको मिलता है podium level में मिलता है, and the project is situated on a natural slope. You can see this is the natural slope we are having, and on podium we have given you 1,80,000 square feet of amenity space approximately, which can be having approximately 4 acres of land parcel is dedicated for podium amenities. So यहाँ पे जैसे आप देख सकते हैं, so these are our 4 BHK towers, 4 BHK and 4.5 BHK. We are having dedicated towers, only 2 apartments per floor. So we are having 5 towers dedicated for 4 and 4.5 BHK. यहाँ पे आपको सबसे जो important point है, सारे जो apartments होंगे, सारे apartments either they are facing towards the hillside or they are facing towards the amenities side. You are having 4 different clusters of gardens on the ground floor. यहाँ पे आपको जैसे देख सकते हैं, बहुत ही beautiful architecture है. One of the most renowned builder is building this project. As per RERA, इसका जो handover time है by 2031 सितंबर में है, और प्रोजेक्ट में आपको डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कारपेट्स आपको मिल जाते हैं. फर्स्ट जो कारपेट जो स्टार्टिंग होता है अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 3 BHK स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 1300 स्क्वायर फीट कारपेट एरिया, एंड देन द मिडिल साइज अराउंड 1500 स्क्वायर फीट, देन द मैक्सिमम साइज अराउंड 1800 स्क्वायर फीट स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 4 BHK. मतलब 4 BHK का सबसे छोटा कारपेट 1800 स्क्वायर फीट से स्टार्ट होता है, 1850 स्क्वायर फीट अप्रॉक्सीमेटली, एंड उसके बाद आपका 2300 स्क्वायर फीट, 2600 स्क्वायर फीट एंड 3000 स्क्वायर फीट का 4.5 BHK अवेलेबल है. एंड 5 BHK वी आर हैविंग approximately 4,850 square feet approximately on town number 9. So everything is unique in the project. मैं फिर से कुछ amenities के बारे में बताता हूँ. These are 50 plus amenities and facilities. Not only that, we have a dedicated clubhouse which is the biggest clubhouse of entire West Pune. Come, I will show you a close look of the clubhouse. So these towers are on zigzag style, so east and west facing only, and one of the best construction quality will be given to you. So these are the amenities and facilities we have on the clubhouse. 50,000 square feet amenities and facilities. You have this kind of amenities. So now I am going to show you that we are going to show you actual sample apartment of approximately 2,306 square feet, 4.5 BHK. Let's have a look. Come. So on the other hand, so I am going to show you that before that we are having this experience center, and we are giving you some very specific specifications like Italian marble on the flooring of bedrooms, living cum dining, as well as on the washrooms. So we have dedicated staff quarter on each and every 4 BHK and 4.5 and 5 BHK apartment. You can see that we have given you all specifications like this. यहाँ पे आपको जो भी specifications मिलता है, the best in the market specifications you will be getting. Not only that, we are having a staff quarter this side. Just outside your apartment, you are having this staff quarter. So we are having this staff quarter with having a size of approximately 180 square feet, and we are going to show you now the 4.5 BHK. Come. So this is a 4.5 BHK. So we are giving you this digital door lock system and with the video door phone screen outside. So on entry you can see this is a lavish apartment with a height of 11.3 feet. Approximately floor to floor height I am mentioning 11.3 feet, which is one of the best of its kind. Now I am going to show you, this is the foyer space. So on foyer space you are having this kind of space with a size of approximately almost 7.5 feet long by almost 6 feet. So you are having this kind of foyer space. So now I am going to show you your lavish living cum dining hall. So come inside. यहाँ पे आपको मिलता है एक 26.5 feet long living space and with a beautiful window facade. So you can get almost 180-degree view from your window of your living space itself. So you can see this is the running deck outside our living cum dining space. So you are having this kind of living space, and it's a properly Italian marble flooring. So come inside this lavish running deck. So we are having this big lavish running deck. So from there to this side, so we are having a length of approximately 27 feet long by approximately 6 feet. 6 feet by 27 feet is the running deck we are giving you on 2,306 square feet. So now, so these are the soft closing doors. You can see noise cancellation doors, soft closing doors. So you can elevate this space, like you can design lot of things as per your imagination. यहाँ पे आपको एक अलग सा separate living lounge space है. So this living lounge space is having a specifications for a TV unit. This can be a perfectly camouflaged foyer space. So बाहर से जो भी आएगा वो अंदर यहाँ पे नहीं देख सकता है. So that is a very beautiful concept altogether. We are having a separate dining space altogether. We are having a 8-seater dining table placed over here, and the clear height is amazing. You are having this video door phone screen on this side. We are having Italian marble on the flooring again, I am saying. So we have given you all electrical fittings, and on each side the apartment is Vastu compliant. So you can have this kind of kitchen. So we will be giving you this engineered stone this side. So this will not be there, but engineered stone platform will be there. It's a separate space, so you can decorate this kind of thing. Like these are the chimney hubs, these are the upper cabinets, lower cabinets. You can decorate this kind of platform, island platform on the kitchen itself. And you have a separate space for fridge, micro oven, OTG counters. So सबसे जो important बात है, इसके साथ मिलता है एक attached dry deck. So this is an attached dry deck this side. So you can see that. So this dry deck is having a size of approximately almost 9.5 feet long by almost 4.9 feet, 5 feet by 9.5 feet का ये ड्राई डेक है, बहुत ही बेहतरीन है विथ सॉफ्ट क्लोजिंग डोर्स। और यहाँ पे जो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है, सो एवरी अपार्टमेंट इज फेसिंग टुवर्ड्स आइदर एमिनिटी साइड और हिल साइड। सो कम, सो वी हैव मल्टीपल बैल्कनीज। यहाँ पे जैसे देख सकते हैं, दिस इज अ रनिंग डेक, एंड इफ यू कंसिडर द service deck, then 2 decks already you have seen. Now I am going to present you your bedrooms. So it is perfectly camouflaged on your foyer space. So come, I am going to show you your guest bedroom. So this will be the entry from the foyer space to your guest bedroom. The guest bedroom is having a size of 14.5 feet by 11 feet. A separate walk-in wardrobe space is dedicated here. You can elevate this space as per your choice, and you can have a full length window on that side and a perfectly camouflaged washroom space. Come inside. This is your washroom space. It's a lovely washroom space, elevated basin space with Durovit fittings and fixtures. And we are also giving you this WC and a cubicle, shower cubicle inside with rain head showers. And to mention you that on the living cum dining and all the washroom itself, we are also giving you Italian flooring. Now I am going to show you outside. Come. So जैसे ही मैं बाहर जाता हूँ, आप देख सकते हैं, this is the entry door. On entry door itself you will get this beautiful bedroom for your guests. So यहाँ पे आ जाइए, मैं आपको इस तरफ अभी दिखाता हूँ। ये this is a lavish palatial living cum dining space. It's a marvelous design and designed with perfection. Every corner of this apartment is decorative, so you can create this kind of lavish king size lifestyle for yourself. So this is one of the best locations of West Pune, Pancard Club Road, Baner, and this is one of the most premium most properties in entire West Pune with this biggest land parcel. So यहाँ पे आपको amenities मिलता है, जो unmatched amenities है, lifestyle भी मिलता है, and this is a premium residential concept. So we have no dedicated towers for commercial. We have a separate shopping cluster dedicated outside this project with having a dedicated land parcel of 1 acre, which is dedicated for G+6 story commercial. So our first habitable floor starts from approximately 11th floor onwards. मतलब यहाँ पे जो first habitable floor का height है, वही 11th floor का height में है। आ जाइए, मैं आपको और एक चीज़ बताता हूँ। As per RERA मैंने बता दिया है, 2031 September is the handover date. So come, I am going to show you this common powder washroom. So the powder washroom is also having lavish fixtures. You can have Durovit fittings. You can have this kind of Italian marble black finishing on your powder washroom. Come. So I am going to show you your second bedroom. So you can utilize this as your study room. So or your guest bedroom again, or a workstation. So we have decorated this room as a workstation. यहाँ पे आप चाहे तो कुछ भी बना सकते हैं, चाहे तो आप इसमें आपका स्टूडियो बना सकते हैं. यू कैन गेट एज अ वर्क स्टेशन, एंड दिस बेडरूम इज ऑल्सो हैविंग अटैच्ड वॉशरूम इनसाइड. So come, so this will be your attached washroom, full length window again, and this attached washroom is having great fixtures. You can have shower cubicle, you can have this kind of Durovit fittings, elevated basin space again, and with this beautiful basin space. So we are going to go and show you your third bedroom. Come. So I am going to show you the third bedroom. Just opposite to that, we are having this third bedroom. This will be your master bedroom. Welcome. So this will be a big bedroom space. यहाँ पे जैसे देख सकते हैं ड्रेसिंग यूनिट यहाँ पे है, और ये फुल लेंथ वार्डरोब स्पेस हमने बनाया है. सो यू कैन क्रिएट दिस काइंड ऑफ वार्डरोब स्पेस. द लेंथ ऑफ द बेडरूम इज अप्रॉक्सीमेटली ऑलमोस्ट 16.9 फीट. सिर्फ 16.9 फीट का लेंथ है इस बेडरूम का. और इसके साथ सबसे खूबसूरत जो चीज़ है, इसके साथ आपको और एक अटैच्ड बैल्कनी मिलता है. दिस विल बी योर किंग साइज मास्टर बेडरूम. नॉट अ मास्टर बेडरूम ओनली, किंग साइज मास्टर बेडरूम विद अ बैल्कनी साइज ऑफ 5 फीट बाई 10.9 फीट. आप देख सकते हैं रेलिंग ऐसे ही रहने वाला है. विथ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट क्वालिटी वी हैव गिवन यू दिस काइंड ऑफ सोफेस्टिकेटेड ग्लास फसाड रेलिंग विथ सॉफ्ट क्लोजिंग डोर्स फॉर नॉइस कैंसलेशन. सो यहाँ पे मैं आपको और एक चीज़ बताऊँगा. यू कैन हैव अ अटैच्ड वॉशरूम इनसाइड योर मास्टर बेडरूम एंड विथ वॉकिंग क्लॉजेट. सो कम इनसाइड. So we are having this walk-in closet inside. It's having a space of around almost 9.5 feet long by almost 5.5 feet. This is a walk-in closet space. You can see how much space it carries. So it's a long space. You can have this kind of space all together. So beautiful walk-in closet. And not only that, we are having this attached washroom space. So you have shower cubicles. You have this kind of commode space and a elevated space. You can see it's a beautiful, lovely elevated space. So now the most important part, the last but not least, your queen's bedroom. Come. So I'm going to show you your queen's bedroom. You can utilize that room as your parents' bedroom as per your choice. So come and see your parents' bedroom now. So come. So welcome to your parents' bedroom with having a space of around almost 14.9 feet, means almost 15 feet long parents' bedroom you are getting. And in this bedroom you are also having another attached washroom inside. So you can make it as your queen's bedroom or your parents' bedroom. It's as per your choice. So come inside. So this is a walk-in closet with having a space of around 9 feet by almost 5 feet in length. Again, with this bedroom you are also having a bathtub space. So you can see this kind of bathtub space you are getting inside this washroom with this elevated washroom space by Durovit, shower cubicle also with WC Western cupboard. So now I am going to show you outside again. So again I am seeing you one thing, that in this project you are getting one of the most trusted brands is developing this project. Not only that, this is one of the biggest land parcel of West Pune, one of the most premium land parcel facing towards the Baner Hill Biodiversity Park of around 500 plus acres. And now also that the connectivity, अभी मैं connectivity की बात करता हूँ. Baner is known for its connectivity, up market location. यहाँ पे आपको commercial spaces भी मिलता है, up market high street भी मिलता है. यहाँ से आपको सारे जो schools है, hospitals है, close proximity में है. यहाँ पे आपको जो connectivity है, by metro connectivity आपको मिलता है, by road connected है, highway इसके पास है project का. Not only that, it's a upmarket location where you will get like-minded people. So यहाँ पे सारे जो amenities and facilities है, so like-minded people के लिए है. यहाँ पे हम लोग cluster अलग किए हैं क्योंकि 5 BHK के लिए एक single अलग separated tower है, 4.5 BHK के लिए only 3 dedicated tower है और बाकी आपका सारे towers 3 BHK का जो है only 4 apartments per floor for 3 BHK, only 2 apartments per floor for 4 and 4.5 BHK and for 5 BHK only 1 apartment per floor. अभी मैं आपको सबसे important चीज़ बताता हूँ, pricing. This is a launching project. We have launched this project just 3 months earlier. So now the pricing is absolutely attractive. We have some payment plans also. We have some discount and offers also. To know more, call us today because we do not have any charges. We have more than 25 plus premium residential projects in Baner location itself. We have more than 600 plus projects in West Pune and those are all premium projects. So for more details, call us, contact us today only. Don't be late. We will give you the best possible pricing offers and discounts and please trust us, love us, support us and मैं आपको ये चीज़ गारंटी देके बोल पाऊंगा, हम लोग आपको जो ऑफर करेंगे that is absolutely free of cost, no charges. Not only that, we will give you 5 years of marketing support and 10 years of legal assistance on purchasing your every apartment. So हमारे साथ बने रहिए. So thank you for लास्ट तक वीडियो देखने के लिए और अगर आप चैनल में नए हैं तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. हम लोग हर एक दिन नया वीडियो आपके लिए लाएंगे जो पुणे का सबसे प्रीमियम लोकेशन होगा और सबसे प्रीमियम प्रोजेक्ट्स होगा. वही प्रोजेक्ट हम लोग आपको शो करेंगे, शोकेस करेंगे. तो जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ. हमारे एग्जीक्यूटिव को आप कॉल कर सकते हैं नीचे दिए नंबर में, व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं. वी विल प्रोवाइड यू ईच एंड एवरी डिटेल्स. वी विल डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट यू विद द बिल्डर पर्सन एंड there we will also assure you that you will get the cheapest, greatest possible discounts and the cheapest price of the entire quarter. So thanks for watching. We are a RERA registered consultants. So for more details, call us today. Thank you.